Hello and thank you for watching this video. This is a house for sale in the village Slavyanovo. It's €15,900. 10 minutes from Popovo. Has its own train station. It's 1 hour 15 minutes from Varna and an hour to Velika Tarnovo or Rossi. The garden is 800 square meters and we're going to call it a 5-bedroomed house with a well. Here we go. The property starts just after that white building on the right. You can see it's got some interesting features. There's a garage there to the left and the main entrance here. So we walk onto the property and you can see you have a nice shaded area. You're able to park a vehicle here and a well in front of you. A working well, so it has water. This is where we just entered. The roof's not in bad condition. And this is the garage. Again, not too bad at all, although it's sort of rubbish. Easy job to clean this out. Now the roof on this barn area wasn't very straight, so it will need some attention. Anyway, back down to the basement. It has a huge basement. Been well used, lots of barrels, probably for wine. And then there's a second section, it goes under the full house. Very good. So don't think for one moment you can just rip out wooden beams, because they're doing the job. There you go. One large basement under the complete house. Right, so here we are downstairs. One room. Nice, fairly sunny, large. How much can be said? It looks in reasonable condition. Where we entered the downstairs is a kitchen with water and electricity, and another room, another large room. Again, another sunny room, 2 large windows towards the front on the road. Back out towards the garden, small conservatory. Whoops, it looked like Poppy just fell over. Here we are, one large room. This is the outbuilding room at the moment. Nice windows onto the garden, and again another room with the same windows onto the garden. I wouldn't call them large, but they're definitely big enough. There we go, back out to the garden now. Upstairs, looking out over onto the garden. Although there's neighbours, it's the property is quite discreet and private. That's where it was a moment ago, and then 2 windows there. Although there's neighbours directly next door, there's no windows, no way of seeing you. So again, it's still private. Upstairs, now the floors upstairs are in good condition, nice wooden floorboards. I'm not sure if you would strip them back. Right, this is a room with a separating partition. You could easily put another door from the corridor into that section, creating 2 rooms. That is your first area, and the other part was the second area of the same room. Again, not overly big, definitely not small. A good sized bedroom. As I said, the floors are in good condition. It probably doesn't seem to have any faults. Next and last room, again large bedroom, not overly big but definitely not small, looking out onto the back garden. And the end of that corridor, you'd probably put a bathroom upstairs. Not that difficult to achieve. Again, a nice well, more outbuildings, and a beautiful looking, well established garden. Now, if you like this video, share it with somebody, let them know. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and give us a thumbs up. If you got anything to say, write it down on our community page. There's a little room there that's ideal for a tool shed. The garden itself is nice, spacious. And as ever, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you watch the next one.